Welcome to Pugawell and Pugawell at the Adult Syndrome Center. I am your host, Jason. On our best shows, we talk about fruits, vegetables, and grains. Fruits and vegetables should fill 1/2 of our plate. Grains should fill 1/4 of our plate. Today we are going to talk about proteins. Let's welcome the star of our show, Chef Francesca.
Thank you, Jason. Proteins are important for keeping us healthy. Can someone from the audience tell us what kinds of foods are proteins?
I can. Some types of protein are meat like chicken, turkey, pork, and beef.
That's right. What are some other proteins that are not meat?
Eggs, fish, beans, and nuts are also protein.
Thanks, Danny. 1/4 of our plate will be filled with protein. We should also try to eat proteins that do not have a lot of fat in them. Look for the word low fat or lean on menus and containers.
So we should try to eat more turkey, chicken, and fish. Fewer hamburgers and steaks.
Now let's give you a chance to pump up your protein. What is a healthy protein that you can have for breakfast?
You can have eggs for your breakfast.
But that's up for lunch. What kinds of protein should we choose?
We could have protein like turkey, low-fat peanut butter on your sandwich.
Both are good options. Last up is dinner. What are some proteins you can have for dinner?
We can eat fish, chicken, or steak.
Good job. But remember, we don't want to eat too much red meat like steak, lamb, or pork. Eating too much red meat is not healthy for us.
Protein are also good for snacks. Greek yogurt, nuts, and hummus. All snacks have protein in them.
Hey, Danny, what are the important things to remember about protein?
Eating protein is important for keeping our bodies healthy. Protein should be 1/4 of our plate. We should try to eat lean protein like turkey, chicken, and fish instead of fatty protein like hamburgers and steaks.
Great job, Danny. Thank you for watching our show. Join us next time for another episode of Pugawell and Finwell at the Adult Syndrome Center.